I want to talk about technology in the cloud. And obviously, the move to the cloud was accelerated by the pandemic. Tiffany, you work for a company that is a cloud-based technology. So why don't you tell us a little bit more about the benefits of the cloud, how you see that evolving, impacting firms' value propositions?
Yeah, absolutely. So cloud-based technologies like MinuteBox, of course, are becoming really increasingly popular tool across all law firms. I think investing in a serverless architecture is an effective way to really streamline some processes, save on costs, increase scalability, and enhance accessibility in a nutshell. We're seeing like these practice management systems, these entity management systems can really help to streamline any routine tasks and centralize seemingly disparate systems. Therefore, we see the value in the boost of productivity and efficiency. So those menial tasks can now be ticked off faster than ever, and more time is allocated to what really matters, which are the clients. And we're seeing that a lot. I think the other benefits come in between not having to maintain an expensive and insecure server structure. I will say that there is no team in the world that can keep up with some of the threats with an on-prem service. In my time at Cura Systems, where I worked there for 4 years, it was contract analysis. We had clients that had both on-prem and cloud servers. And what we found, and I know we had this initial discussion when chatting about this webinar, is that they were 3 months behind on a new release because of the amount of work it takes to actually implement new functionality into a system. So when you're looking at as a company, you're maintaining that on-premise service, you're not getting the same client service, but you're also not getting the same in regards to the functionality and the features. And that was kind of one of the biggest drawbacks I ran into with clients was, I don't understand why this person can see all this new functionality and I can't. It actually takes a lot more to adopt. While in an instant, a cloud-based technology, you can get those features and functionalities. I think the one last thing I'll mention is also, I came in expecting downtime windows, and I know I see some of the attendees on the call. We chatted about that at IPMA, and being able to come to a software that says, hey, on a Saturday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., there's going to be 4 hours where you cannot use the system, is impactful, and unfortunately can be very frustrating, especially if you have like end of the year items to tick off. But being able to say, hey, we can push out that change and there is no downtime. It's not going to affect any user is a huge value add for a firm.
All right. Well, you've just extolled the benefits of cloud technology, legal space very well. I know in the interest of time, I'd love to get everyone else's take on cloud-based tech, but I want to move on to our final section.